Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the rules of Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates terms of service. So I've taken the liberty of going through the terms of service for you, so the operating agreement. So I've gone through all that for you so you don't have to. So in this video I'm giving you a brief summary and highlighting the points of the terms of service, so the things you don't want to do to get your account banned and how to be in compliance with Amazon, so the rules to follow, right? So let's get into the video. And before I get into the video, just a brief overview of what the Amazon Associates program is, just in case you may not know, or maybe you're a new person viewing this channel. If you haven't, please remember to subscribe. But just to give you the gist, the Amazon Associates program is a program where you promote traffic to the Amazon website through your affiliate link so that customers can buy that product. And if customers buy that product, you earn a commission. So you earn a sale anywhere between 1 to 10% of that sale. You will earn a commission on that. So now we got that out of the way. Let's get into the rules of the terms of service you want to follow. So username. You cannot use the word Amazon or anything associated with the Amazon company in your username when signing up. So this goes for your login credentials, so your username and your password. Modifying links. Now this is actually a very interesting one. You're not allowed to modify links in such a way that conceals the Amazon website. So this means no cloaking or shortening. So I'm pretty sure you know websites like Bitly, etc. It's against the terms of service to do so, and you can get your account terminated. Now, the reason why I say this is an interesting one is because I know of big YouTubers, and I've seen big YouTubers for particular niches who do use shortening software such as Bitly, and they use those links in their for promoting the. They use those links when they're promoting a product. So that's again, according to the terms of service, it's against the rules and regulations. If you want to risk doing so, it's your choice. However, I'm doing this video so that I can give you what the operating agreement says and you can make an informed decision on what to do. So you obviously want to use the direct link that you get from the Amazon Associates website. So from your account, you use that link directly, that huge link. I know it's not the prettiest link, but that's what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to shorten it or conceal it. Now, like I said, there are people that I've seen doing it, and big YouTubers who do it as well, and it seems like they haven't gotten banned. But again, I'm just giving you what the operating agreement says. So they want customers to know what websites they're being led to, and Amazon wants to be able to see the page that sent the traffic. So that's the reasoning behind the no modifying link rule. Fixed price. You cannot state the price for any product. So for example, if you have a website, you're not allowed to put the price of the product down. Why? The reasoning is because Amazon prices are always changing. Sometimes products go on discount or fluctuate, right? So hence this could potentially lead to a negative customer experience, because you said the product is one price, but in reality it's another. So you cannot state any prices. So never state a price when you're creating a website or whatever. You just want to have the product, but don't mention the price. Account dormancy. Once you've applied to the program, you'll have 180 days to make a sale. Now that's give or take 6 months, right? So you have 6 months to make a sale once you've applied to the program. From there, Amazon will evaluate your application. Amazon wants you to have a high quality site, so a platform, and as well as established content. So it can either be a high quality site, platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, etc., and as well as established content. So a bonus tip, so create your niche website before applying to the program. So have your website built well in advance and have it established before applying to the program so that you can set things up right away and start driving traffic immediately, right? Instead of taking time to set up during the 108-day countdown, right? You don't want to race against time. That's just my bonus tip. So using images, there are some people who have been terminated for using images taken directly from the Amazon website. So do not use images found on the Amazon website, right? Because people have been terminated for going on the Amazon website, copy and pasting an image and using it as their own. Encouraging people to use their links. So according to the terms of service, you are not allowed to use the link yourself or to encourage your friends, family, employees, colleagues, business relations, or contractors to use your affiliate link to purchase a product. This actually is more far-reaching and goes even further. You cannot explicitly tell people by using your affiliate link you help support your content creation or website. So you cannot tell them that, hey, if you buy through your link, you're supporting your channel, they're supporting your website, etc. This is against Amazon's terms of service. Identifying yourself. You must explicitly state and identify yourself as an affiliate. So you must disclose the following. So somewhere on the website, you want to disclose, we are participants in the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program, an affiliate advertising program designed to provide a means for us to earn fees by linking to Amazon.com and affiliate sites. So you want to have this that's somewhere on your website that's visible and so somewhere your audience can see. So either the header or footer of your website. Publicly available. So you have to promote your affiliate links through publicly accessible sites. For instance, if you have a course where there's a section where they have private access that you have private access to, you cannot promote the link to them there. So you cannot promote a link to your students in a private course group and promote the link to your students. So it has to be on a publicly accessible site. So everybody has to have access to the site. Review quoting. Now, you can give an honest review of a product. That's completely okay. However, you cannot quote other customers' reviews. So let's say James from Texas said X, Y, and Z. You cannot do that. You cannot give a specific quote from someone. You can say something in general like people have been saying X, Y, and Z, but you can't say, a particular person says this and that. So you cannot have a review quote. Misrepresentation. You cannot mislead customers into thinking you are Amazon, right? So you cannot mislead customers thinking that perhaps you create a website similar to Amazon and you make them think that you are an affiliate of, not that you're not an affiliate, but making them think that you are Amazon, you are the corporation, right? Email marketing. You cannot promote your affiliate links in your emails. So if you have an email list, you will have to redirect them to your website. So no affiliate links can be contained within your email. Also, no affiliate links inside your ebooks or PDFs. So email marketing is a big no-no. So you want to use email marketing to redirect the traffic or your email list to your website, and then from the website they will buy through your affiliate link. So you can't have your affiliate link contained within your email. Under 13 years of age rule. You cannot use links directed to children under 13. You must direct it to their parents or legal guardians. So if you're in the toys and games niche, remember this rule. So no promoting or directing your links to children who are under 13. Review star ratings. No posting star ratings as images or words. Forums. Some gurus actually teach you to do this, but this is a direct violation of Amazon's terms of service. You cannot post your affiliate links on a website you do not control. So forums. So for example, maybe it's a weight loss niche, maybe it's a rock climbing niche. So you're in a weight loss forums or a rock climbing forum or whatever niche forum that there's out there. You cannot go on the forums and sign up and then post your affiliate link on those forums, right? Because you don't control that website. Variations. You cannot use any misspelling or intended variations of Amazon in the URL of your website. So for example, AMZ, etc. So no variations, no misspelling of Amazon. Again, you don't want to mislead customers to thinking that you are Amazon, right? Fake clicks. I think this is a no-brainer. It's pretty obvious. You cannot generate clicks using software or bots, right, to increase your metrics. Rewards and incentives. You cannot give people rewards or incentives for using your affiliate link. So you can't promise them, hey, if you buy through my affiliate link, I'll give you a free ebook, or I'll give you a free PDF, or I'll give you a commission from that commission you're getting yourself, right? You cannot give them rewards or incentives for going through your affiliate link. Trademark. You cannot use the company's trademark. So you can't use the Amazon trademark without their permission. Again, this is another obvious one, right? Violence and sexually explicit content or themes. So no violent or sexually explicit websites. So remember to always be in compliance with Amazon Associates terms of service. I know there was a whole bunch of rules and regulations, but again, you can always rewind the video to watch if you've missed anything and to find out what you need to comply with. So don't get your account banned. Amazon has given you an opportunity to access a global market with a vast variety of niches and products to promote. So remember to always follow the rules, policies, and regulations. And if you're not sure, and if you're ever in doubt, when in doubt, as the saying goes, always ask, right? Always ask with Amazon. Follow up with them. Just shoot their support team a question if you think that there's a gray area that you're not understanding, and they will clarify everything for you. So just remember, when you're creating a website or whatever platform you're using to promote your affiliate links, it has to be high quality and it has to be premium, because Amazon Associates can shut you down for having a low subpar content kind of website, right? You want to have something that's high quality, because at the end of the day, you're affiliated with Amazon, and Amazon wants to have a good reputation, right? So they don't want someone who has low quality content promoting them. So that's gonna be all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Took a lot of time going through the terms of service and the operating agreement to give you these facts, to give you these key elements and critical points for you to follow, so that you can keep your account in compliance and good standing with Amazon. So again, remember to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already, and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.